this how you should make a few play in Christmas Sonic. You know that was my favorite one. Maybe this is one you could try to call it feel that's possible. Yeah. If you're going to play Christmas with it animatronic, or you can just know that the animatronic have photos. At the next of here, first of you get, first of you place two of these eyes. I will show two of these eyes. These yellow eyes.
Ibalik mo yan doon.
Now put another eye on it. No, what's the great part? It used for the what's the great part of it? That holds the animatronic eyes. He's at the other eye on it, and then at the pupils. And then now because we paid this guy, you see that happened. We paid the hair already. Now we're going to pay this one, the ear, and the body. Look at this kind of look like the same thing as the with it reindeer with it without one. Oh yeah, that's one. Yeah, it was here. See, they had like this kind of like the same thing. See, the same.
You said kill.
This guy is good. Mr. Cup. Yeah, this is Mr. Cup. Okay, success.
No.
Okay, this is go pyramid for open. And I guys know that I know that he's really new, but this one is really correct. It's good. So this is good like this. So yeah, he definitely fits. Okay, maybe she's go to the back. See? This is good, guys. Oh, next is the stairs. Okay. And what said I think was the. What do I think? Yeah, let's go. Can we go after? Yes, already. So I'm going to get the same side of the other one. Now this is going in. Now I know who's supposed to be the new guy for Christmas. Yeah. You know the really bad or sometimes white eyes. Oh wait. Oh, but I forgot. Rose. Yeah. This was no, this is not the regular version. This is the eyebrow one. So close. It's so close, what? Where is this got to?
He said so.
Yeah, let's just go repair this guy. So this is the eyebrow person. Yeah, I did make a Christmas person. Look at his eye. Yeah, let's just go show you. Shape as new. We go put the crevice over here. There you go. Okay. I don't want to have the light. Let's go school. What's it? Love you, he goes this. He's the. That's the regular. The eyebrows. Christmas is here. Yeah. This design is based on air. So let's just go scissor for you. This one, you see this? Yeah, I think, but they want this for painting. So let's just do it. Pop, 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 pop. I think that was the. What's that? Stop it over there. I think what's supposed to be here. What's it on this one? Yeah, I kind of. Okay, this one. Yeah, I think that. Since I found the old and the was very kind because this is because of that idea question. Like that, I don't have it. So yeah, he's walking. I use the animation to says I know you have to work on all of that.
Hey guys, is it there? Is it there?
All of that. Details, well, I just this one is huge. It takes a little time. I was really good. Why you did? Cause what? I wish it my favorite donuts, no arms, no face. It's a different side. It's really. It's a face. It's down next to the. Oh, shit! That's how much I took it to destroy. That's what this ugly face. Oh, that's just. How many repair it? But thank you for 29 subscribers. Yes. Wait, what's it? Yeah, can you click on what's my playlist? So what's it? Oh, thank you for 40 subscribers. Guys, so yeah. Thank you for 40 subscribers. So we might do see that the Dino Plus feed may not be the broken plushies like Mario and the Dino one has suddenly had a broken part that showing the Sophie and so yeah, so we can't not be here before. He will not be able to do that. See that? What is this? I cannot be able to says he said he kind of broken. So yeah. But I wonder how did we get to 40 subscribers? And what day I think I was on offline for like 10 minutes, so yeah.